接下来呢，不好意思，我又要把我的 locale 转成英文了啊。虽然说我转成英文的时候，有时候会感觉起来有点怪怪的。Now the speaker is Ken or Gan or Gan or what? I really don't know how to say that. So okay, no problem. He's from Mozilla. And we have their sponsorship, and they have booths outside, and they will have another. He will have another talk tomorrow. Okay, so I just give you the.
Hello. Can everyone hear me? That's good. Okay. Thank you very much for coming, and I'm really happy to be here. My name is Kanai, and I work for Mozilla Corporation. Just a quick, if I can ask you to raise your hand if you use Firefox. Thank you very much. So I would like to apologize first. The presentation that was originally scheduled to be given in this time was to be given by someone else. But instead, I'll be doing two presentations, today and tomorrow. And for my presentation today, I would like to talk to you about basically the next generation products and technologies we are working on. And I hope that will be interesting for you. If you have any questions, please ask, just raise your hand, and I can take it during the presentation. And I'm very sorry that I don't speak Chinese. I wanted to give the presentation in Chinese, but it's impossible for me. Thank you for listening to my English. So many of you probably know Mozilla. We're a nonprofit organization. This year we're 10 years old. So Mozilla was started in 1998. And we're a very small organization, about a little over 150 people. And we're trying to provide a free and open source browser for anyone in the world. Maybe you heard in June we released Firefox 3, and we had over 8 million downloads in the first 24 hours. So if you did help us download that day, thank you very, very much. As this is an open source conference, and as we are an open source project, I don't need to tell you, but there are many people all around the world who help make Mozilla and Firefox possible. Here in Taiwan, we have a very active community, moztw.org, and they're very helpful in localizing and supporting users and promoting Firefox. So thank you very much to Mozilla Taiwan. When we launched Firefox 3, I'll just cover Firefox 3 very quickly. Many of you might be using it already, so you probably know all the features and all these things. We shipped Firefox 3 in over 48 languages on the first day. And that's the power of open source. For Microsoft, they shipped IE7 on the first day, only English. So I think it's clear to us that open source is a powerful model that can provide the best software to the most people all over the world. Just a quick discussion about Firefox 3. We spent a lot of time trying to optimize Firefox 3 for speed, to make it faster, and for memory, so that it uses less memory. Today, we're using so many websites. I don't know about you, but so many tabs I have open, webmail and web calendar, web documents, all these Web 2.0 applications. They use a lot of memory, and so we wanted to, and they also use a lot of JavaScript, so we wanted to make it faster and we wanted to make it use less memory. So where those are the main focus is speed, security. So for security, we also added EDSSL support. This is a next generation of SSL certificates. And we also added malware protection. So in Firefox 2, we had anti-phishing. Now we have also anti-malware. And if you have Vista, it also connects with parental controls and any other things. Probably the biggest user interface change that everyone really loves is we have this thing we call the awesome bar. And if you use Firefox 3, you'll see that it learns how you use the URL bar. And you can type in Chinese, you can type in a URL. It learns from your history of the sites that you visit. So it's very, very powerful. So I'd like to talk a little bit about Firefox 3.1. I would like to talk about some very new news we have about our new JavaScript engine. And I will talk about some of our Mozilla Labs projects. So Firefox 3.1, the code name is called Shiretoko. For all of the Firefox browsers, the code name is a national park. So Firefox 3, the code name is called the Gran Paradiso. It's a national park in Italy. Firefox 2 is a national park in Canada. Or Firefox 3.1, it's a national park in Japan. So we're focusing on many things, but the main thing is we want to provide more features, faster speed to users sooner. So in the past, we did a release of Firefox once a year. But now, we believe it's more important to get the update version out sooner. So we're hoping to ship Firefox 3.1 at the end of this year, so within calendar year 2008. More support for HTML5, much better JavaScript support, CSS, this native audio and video. So this will be, you will be able to put, you will be able to write HTML and just put in a OGG video, open source video codec file. You don't need a plugin, and it will run in Firefox. And that's also a part of the HTML5 specification. And we're also expanding our Canvas support.